Microsoft Power BI. Course title: Microsoft Power BI Fundamentals. Course description: this course provides an introduction to Microsoft Power BI, which is a suite of business analytics tools that allows users to analyze and visualize data. Students will learn how to use Power BI to connect to data sources, create data models, and create interactive reports and dashboards. The course also covers best practices for data visualization and collaboration. Module 1: Introduction to Power BI. Overview of Power BI. Power BI is a powerful and widely used business intelligence (BI) tool developed by Microsoft that allows organizations to visualize and share insights from their data in a user-friendly and interactive way. It is part of the Microsoft Power Platform, which also includes Power Apps and Power Automate, formerly known as Microsoft Flow. Some of the key components of Power BI include: 1. Power BI Desktop, a desktop application that allows users to create interactive visualizations and reports by connecting to different data sources, designing data models, and creating visually appealing dashboards and reports. 2. Power BI Service, a cloud-based service that allows users to publish, share, and collaborate on Power BI reports and dashboards with others in their organization, and access them from anywhere using web browsers or mobile devices. 3. Power BI Mobile, mobile apps for iOS, Android, and Windows devices that allow users to access and interact with Power BI reports and dashboards on the go, providing real-time insights and enabling decision-making on the move. 4. Power BI Report Server, a on-premises solution that allows organizations to deploy Power BI reports and dashboards on their own servers, providing a self-hosted option for managing and sharing Power BI content. Power BI supports a wide range of data visualizations, including bar charts, line charts, pie charts, maps, gauges, and more, and offers powerful data modeling capabilities, such as data shaping, data aggregation, and calculated measures. It also provides advanced features for data security, data integration, and data sharing, making it a comprehensive and flexible tool for organizations of all sizes to drive database decision-making and gain insights from their data. Power BI Desktop and Power BI Service. Power BI Desktop and Power BI Service are two key components of the Power BI ecosystem that work together to create, publish, share, and collaborate on interactive visualizations and reports. Power BI Desktop. Power BI Desktop is a free desktop application that allows users to create rich and interactive data visualizations and reports. It provides a wide range of data connectivity options, allowing users to connect to various data sources such as Excel, CSV files, databases, cloud-based services, and more. Users can design data models by defining relationships between different data sources, create calculated measures, and perform data shaping and data aggregation to prepare data for visualization. Power BI Service. Power BI Service is a cloud-based platform that allows users to publish, share, and collaborate on Power BI reports and dashboards. It provides a central hub for managing Power BI content, and users can access it from web browsers or mobile devices. Power BI Service allows users to securely share reports and dashboards with colleagues or external users, set up data refresh schedules, and manage user permissions and access. Power BI Service also offers additional features such as data alerts, which allow users to set up notifications based on predefined thresholds or conditions, and Q&A, question and answer, which allows users to ask natural language queries and get insights from their data. Power BI Service provides a collaborative environment where users can work together on reports and dashboards, leave comments, and have discussions around data insights. Licensing and pricing. Power BI offers different licensing and pricing options to cater to various needs and requirements of organizations. The licensing and pricing options for Power BI include: Power BI Desktop. Power BI Desktop is a free desktop application that can be downloaded and installed on individual computers without any cost. It allows users to create interactive visualizations and reports for personal use or to share with others using Power BI Service. Power BI Report Server. Power BI Report Server is an on-premises solution that allows organizations to deploy Power BI reports and dashboards on their own servers. It is a one-time purchase option that does not require ongoing subscription fees, and it provides a self-hosted option for organizations that require on-premises data hosting and report sharing capabilities. Power BI Report Server is priced separately from the cloud-based Power BI offerings, and the pricing depends on the number of users and the version of SQL Server used for the deployment. Thanks for watching. For more information, like, comment, and subscribe our channel.